All right, here's what's inside Mark Bell's Intra-Workout Shake. I have Anabolic IV, which has Dianabol and Anavar in it. That was a joke. It has essential amino acids. But this is from Tony Huge, so hey, you never know what you're going to get from that guy, right? We will maybe try to make that label a little bigger for you so you can see what's in there. But essential amino acids, some electrolytes as well. So I'm going to do a double scoop of this guy. Mixes up pretty easy. Essential amino acids are not the best tasting thing, but they work well. I already had a little bit of water in there. Kabam. A double scooper of that. I guess depending on your weight, you can maybe take more or take less. But I usually do about 4 scoops of that a day. So I do 2 scoops during the workout, and then, I don't know, randomly I'll throw it in water. I don't really drink water very often by itself. So this is whatever this is called, Vitargo, some sort of special carb. Who knows? I don't even know. You know, when it comes to this stuff, I don't really know. I just know that I learned this at some point and that I should do it. So here I am. Anyway, it's supposed to be some special fancy schmancy carb. And someone told me that. I believed them. And so here we are. Take that. Going to throw in some more water. Boop, 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 boop. Put the sound effects in there. And then we're on to shaking. Shaking her up. Come on. Gotta get that on there just perfect. Get her nice and tight. If it ain't tight, it ain't right. Shaking it up. Here we go. Now we're ready to rock. And then I will just kind of sip this throughout the workout. I usually wait until, I did a couple reps. I don't really need the carbs beforehand. But if you want to find out a lot more information about this and you want to see, more scientific answers, you can listen to Andy Galpin. Andy Galpin was on my podcast a long time ago. We talked about this at length. John Meadows has a video. If you look at Intra-Workout Nutrition by John Meadows, you can find that on YouTube. He talks about it and gives you a lot of great information on why you should do it. But for me, personally, just to put it very simply, just gives me more oomph during my workout. So you start working out, you get into exercise number 2 or 3. I don't know about you guys, but you get in exercise 3, and you're just like, I just feel like going home. I don't know, you did back, and then now you're going to maybe transition into doing some shoulders, and you kind of just start doing shoulders, and you only go through the motions, and you're like, I just want to get the fuck out of here and go eat. Having this will help you to push forward and to push a little bit harder. Strength is never a weakness. Weakness is never a strength. Catch you guys later.